What is going on, guys? Eric from Bolts and Banter here, coming at you with another review video, and today we are checking out the Foxwell ST201 leak detector. Now, Foxwell was nice enough to send me over this leak detector, and we are going to give it a test on this 1993 Land Cruiser Prado that we imported from Japan. And to put it very basically, this will get you to find any leaks that you have, be it in the EVAP system, if you have a leak in your turbo system, or in your intake and vacuum system. As far as we know, we don't have any leaks, so this is a good thing to test out on this car. Let's go ahead and show you what we get in the box. So this ST201 does not come with a carrying case. It is a little cheaper than some of Foxwell's other offerings, but this one just comes in the cardboard box here that you can use to restore the actual smoke detector as well as its accessories. But with the actual ST201 unit, we also have a user manual, and we have the vacuum pump, hand pump, as well as the hose that we're going to connect to the actual smoke detector itself. And we also have the power leads, which will hook up to either any 12-volt source, or you can use this to hook up to your battery. And we have a couple of other adapters here. Not to mention, we have this cute little funnel for the actual oil itself. And we have the hook to hook this onto the hood of the car when we're using the unit. Now, it's important to note that this unit does not come with oil in the package. You'll need to purchase oil on your own. However, we are going to be using baby oil in this instance. We just had this in the medicine cabinet, and this should be enough oil for us to conduct our test. Before we go ahead and set up the unit, which is actually really quick to set up, all we got to do is put this hook onto this threaded hole over here, and then hook up the hose on the rear, and then the 12-volt over here. We are going to show you just a couple of features of the ST201 unit itself. It's got two simple buttons here, start and stop, start to generate the smoke and stop to stop it. It has a little eye on the side to check the oil level, and then the fill hole for the oil is on the top. And you can see they've already tested this at the factory. There's still some oil residue over there. And once we get our cute little funnel, we can go ahead and just fill this up. So we'll do that right here in real time just to show you guys how easy it is to fill this up. I'm going to try to do this with one hand and hopefully not spill any of this baby oil. Okay, so we squirted a decent amount in there, and it's looking like we have a little less than half. That should be good enough. We don't want to put too much in this because it will leak out when we store it. So that should be good. And we're gonna turn the car around, and then we're gonna go ahead and hook this up, hang it up, and then we'll go ahead and get to testing. Okay, so we have the ST201 hooked up. Really simple to hook it up. Like I said, it hooks up either to a 12-volt power source or your battery. We have it hooked up to the battery right here, and all we needed to do was hook it up to the back, and then we also have the hose for the smoke vent. We haven't run this before, but I do think that this will generate smoke pretty quickly. We'll find out in just a moment. So, like I said, two buttons, real simple. Let's press the start button, and let's see how long it takes to generate the actual smoke. Right away, within a couple seconds, it's going off right there. Now, the instruction manual says to wait a little bit until the smoke thickens, so we're going to do that. While we wait for the smoke to actually thicken, we're going to show you that we're going to just put that right through this little breather tube here, and then that should help us diagnose or determine if there are any leaks in the intake system. Smoke's pretty thick. That was literally within seconds, so let's go ahead and stick that in there. We actually can't because there is a cap there. So we actually decided to remove the airflow sensor, unplug that, and then we're gonna go ahead and put this smoke detector right into that hole over there, and let's see where this smoke comes out from. Looks like all our seals here are good. Our cross pipe over here is good. We were actually a little concerned about this before testing out this tester, thinking that these seals might have failed since they are kind of old and very brittle. But so far so good there. The smoke has to escape somewhere, so let's keep looking around, see if we can determine if there are any leaks. No smoke coming out of there, really good sign. No smoke coming out of the turbo or the manifold, also a very good sign. Looks like the smoke has nowhere else to escape but back through the other side of the intake. This is actually the rubber molding here that pulls air from the fender well area into the intake. And if we open this up, I'm sure the smoke will come out this way as well. And there we go. Nice. So quick little short video here of the Foxwell ST201. Really nice to know that we don't have any leaks, at least on the intake side of our Toyota 2LTE turbo diesel that's in this Land Cruiser Prado. But this is just a really quick demo of what this ST201 can do. If you have any EVAP leaks or you're trying to chase leaks in your car, I think this is perfect for any DIY guy. It's on the entry-level side of Foxwell smoke generators, but again, you don't need anything very complicated to determine if your car has issues. We are personally not working on an OBD2 car today, but if you had a car that was throwing a leak code, an EVAP leak code for example, and you needed to test it out with smoke, I think the Foxwell ST201 is a very good value and a very good tool to have around the garage. However, Foxwell has other models available other than the ST201. Some of them are larger, generate more smoke, have a larger capacity for oil, and also come with carrying cases. That way you can throw them around your shop, set them on a shelf, forget about it without it getting damaged. Anyway guys, that does it for this review video of the Foxwell ST201 smoke detector. Super easy to use outside of the box. It comes with everything but the baby oil. You can use other types of oil if you'd like. But that does it for now. If you guys have any questions about this, feel free to drop a comment down below, and I will also post a product link for you to purchase this on Amazon below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this product review video and wanted to see more product review videos, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing to Bolts and Banter for more car content. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in the next one.